Hi, my name is Nima Tikela. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So, if you think you knew Nxumalo, you guys remember we usually complain about Nxumalo and sitting down and relaxing as if he's not there. There were times that we were like, Nxumalo is on holiday. There were times where we were like, Nxumalo is just there. Nje, ukapha bayayo. Nxumalo doesn't care. My God, please take it back. Take it back, Gesan. Oh, take it back. Do you remember the times? Do you remember the times when we felt like Unxumalo is getting paid for nothing? Do you remember the times when we thought Unxumalo doesn't care about the case? Unxumalo is just there for his check. Do you remember the time when we were like, Unxumalo will never even assist? We were complaining a lot about Unxumalo. He knew what he was doing, guys. We were the wrong ones. Unxumalo knew when he was going to speak. Unxumalo knew why he was keeping his energy. Unxumalo knew why he was not going to be wasting his time. He was waiting for where we are now. He was waiting for where we are now because tell me why is Nxumalo the guy that he thinks he is? Oh, because he is the guy that he thinks he is. Unxumalo is the creme de crema sanalam. Oh, Unxumalo is sorting the business in that courtroom. Unxumalo is not scared, guys. The Unxumalo that we thought we knew, he's a scary boy. There is no such person. Because tell me why, after Umzuzu Nomzuzu, he's standing up. Every minute he's standing up, objecting, and he doesn't sit down until his objection is heard clearly. Nxumalo doesn't sit down until his objection is heard clearly, and he doesn't care who's listening, and he makes his point be heard clearly. No more to see a Nxumalo that is datazelling. He is no longer akasatitis, guys. He's a Nxumalo that is straightforward, that is saying what he is saying. Hear him if you want, but he said what he said. That is the type of Nxumalo that we have in that courtroom, Kesana, today. That is the Nxumalo that we were introduced to. Because right now we are dealing with Nxumalo unleashed, Zwide Kalanga unleashed, because he does not take any Fs. He is not taking any Fs, Kesana. He's showing everybody the middle finger. He's like, I'm here to work. He has clocked, Kesan. He has clocked the way he is so alert about everything, the way he is asking relevant questions, the way he is objecting relevantly, the way he is like, get it into order, but you are not going to do that here. The way he is calling for order in that courtroom. Oh my God. I am so impressed. I am so impressed. Unxumalo Kesana, guys, has decided to show off, show up, show off. That's what he is doing in that courtroom right now. Ubaloyi is in shambles. Ubaloyi is in shock because he does not believe that Unxumalo, the one that used to Tatazel, is the one that is humbling him now. He is there humbling Baloyi. He's there humbling Baloyi, telling him, read things as they are written there. You are not going to misquote or misread things. Read them as they are. You are not going to put a 2 cents or minus something or add something there. Read it as they are written there. You are going to do that. Guys, kushubile. Kushubile. Like, kutsiba nezimithi icingo liwile kutsiba nezimithiyo guys yakho kutsiba neyakho ezimithi ingulube ezimithiyo ziyakwazi ulitsiba icingo liwile guys hayi icingo liwile andifuna ungatsho icingo liwile because my God, OMG, what we are witnessing there in the courtroom of Judge Ratta, he can't even control it even himself. He can't even control it, even if he can try Judge Ratta. He won't be able to control it. It's out of his hand. Everything that is happening in that courtroom is out of Judge Ratta's hand. There's nothing that he can do at this point. Kubusy, kunuka, kunukumswane kunukumswane kula courtroom. Yabona Ubaloyi, as he is standing there, guys, his heart is smelling of electricity. You know, when someone was choked by gas, it's smelling like that. Inukumbali inhliziyo. Akazazi noma makayeke, noma makathathe, noma makabambe. Inhliziyo yakhe inukumbali, kubuhlungu, kunzima, kunyiswa abonxumalo. Abonxumalo bambambe ngawo. Unxumalo is dragging the hell out of Ubaloyi. uNxumalo is dragging the hell out of uBaloyi akanaxesha lakhe at this point. My guys, oh, guys, I'm enjoying Cotton. I'm so excited. I can't. I'm sorry. I'm too excited. I'm too excited. I'm too happy for that matter. And at this point, there is nothing that Baloyi or Judge Rata can do to stop this. The train, it is moving. This Abonxumalo, they are in those speeds. The trains from overseas. We don't have those kind of trains here in South Africa. We don't have them. We do not have that kind of trains here in SA. We absolutely do not have them. But Sana Unxumalo is showing Baloyi flames like, whoo, shame. So what we are witnessing right now is the defense fighting back. They are fighting back. They are saying to Baloyi, prove this statement. Prove that there is no problems within the statement. And every time he opens his mouth and reads a line, it's problematic. Every time he opens his mouth and reads a line, it's becoming problematic. That's the problem that we are having in that courtroom. That is the problem that we are having in that courtroom. So Baloyi is busy reading the so-called statement that was written or taken by Colonel Rapadu with Untanzi. Those are the allegations, right? Untanzi is saying, I didn't do any statement. I never said I wanted to do any statement, and I have no statement. Everything that you see there, it was forced on me. That's what Untanzi says. And now the statement is not make sure. And the statement is hard to prove. And the statement is not aligning with anything, no matter how Baloyi tries. Baloyi even tried to align the statement with Zungu's so-called evidence or testimony. Also tried to align the statement with Zandile Khumalo's so-called testimony. Also tried to align the statement with Tumelo and Mtoko's so-called testimonies. And Untanzi came back guns blazing for Baloyi and was like, no. So everything that he has tried so far, it has been rebutted, challenged like nobody's business. He knows, even Baloyi knows that he's not succeeding here. He knows. I don't care who says what. Even Baloyi knows that he's struggling. He can see, he is sensing that he is struggling. Kubi guys, kuyileyo nto injalo ke sana. Hayi sana, I don't know. I don't know uzophuma kanjani. I don't know how he is going to work himself out of this one. Imbi injalo indaba yakho. I don't know, Judge Rata, what can he pull from where? From the rabbit, what to save Baloyi? And I don't see it happening. I absolutely can't. I can't. I can't see them trying anything that is going to assist anyone in that situation. The situation has become so Iran. It is the borders of Iran, Iraq, Israel. It's like that at this point. Kubi. I'm telling you, Kubi. Oh, Sanalam Kubi. Kubi Yonkinto, it's so bad. I can't at this point. And I don't want to even lie and say, no, I'm not feeling sorry for Baloyi. Baloyi must actually deal with this. And Baloyi, if he must sing, he must sing. I don't care at this point. He must just sing with it. Guys, when you are watching, what are you seeing? Because, my God, what are your thoughts? Guys, Unxumalo for me is the cherry on top. Unxumalo for me is the cherry on top. If you thought you knew Unxumalo, you know nothing about Unxumalo. If you thought you knew Unxumalo, oh, please watch the case right now. Unxumalo has decided to unleash. He is bulldozing. He goes nuclear at this point. Yabona, he goes nuclear at this point. And mind you, he has not even started. These are just warning shots. He's a sniper. My God, normally he's a sniper. He is a sniper. I can't with him. I can't. I'm so impressed, Shem. I must say, I must give it to him. I am so impressed. Anyway, guys, what are your thoughts when it comes to all of this? Let's talk in the comment section. I want to hear your views. Thank you so much. Please do enjoy your day. When you see Nxumalo, what are your thoughts? What's the first thing that comes to mind? If you were watching today's proceedings, what came to mind when you were looking at Nxumalo, when he was behaving the way he was today? What came to mind for you? Me, I was impressed. I was so impressed with him, Shem. I do not want to lie. And I forgive him for all the times that he has been zitulele in that courtroom. He has been here, enguzithulele. Now, unguzwide kalanga, ulilanga ngoku, uyatshisa. He's burning all bridges. I'll see you on our next video. Thank you so much. Do enjoy your day. Bye-bye.